Good day everybody. Today we have Acer Aspire Spin 3 and then we're going to be upgrading the RAM, cleaning the fans, replacing the battery and complete teardown, almost complete teardown. So in order to get access to the components, basically removing the back panel will give you access to all what's inside its laptop. Just get a Phillips 00 screwdriver and pretty much unscrew all the screws from the back. This model is pretty easy to get access to all the components. And also, if you, just a side tip, if you want to magnetize your screwdriver, just get a bit of a magnet and rub it against the screwdriver. That will give that attractions to lift up the screws without pulling hair out because it won't come off. Yeah, do that kind of motions. Pull in with your thumb and pull out with your finger. You can also use a guitar pick or any kind of prying tool to get a bit of a crack in between, so you can lift it up. Yeah, there was a bit of there was one stuffed screw that would have come off, but yeah, here we go. That's pretty much everything inside. This is your SSD. There's no RAM in this model, as in like replaceable. This is your RAM. This is your RAM. It's inbuilt into the motherboard, so you pretty much stack whatever RAM size it comes with. This one takes M2 SSD, and then you can easily upgrade it to NVMe SSD of up to 1 terabyte, which you can easily get it for $200 to $50. To remove the battery, there's only one screw. You simply lift it up, get all the tip out of the way. Here, when you work inside the laptop, be very careful that you don't really snap any ribbon cables clip, because these are crucial and securing the connector into its appropriate place. This is your Wi-Fi. This is that was your CMOS battery, your fan. Pull it out, not through the cable, it's not a good idea. Don't do that. Just wiggle it from side to side and just wonk it off and it will come off easily. So yeah, it's not that dirty laptop, but if you use it over time, there will be accumulations of a lot of dust and particles that will clog the fans and will let the heat get out. This is your ribbon cable for the LCD, your DC jack. That's the extender cable for the battery. That's pretty much it. Not a lot to it. Putting it back together the same way as Disassembly. So yeah, if you have any questions, shoot in the comment sections below and I'll try to answer this as best as possible. Alright guys, cheers, bye.